Okay, so I need and isolate the other equation so that it is solved for y. So basically what I'll do, first thing I'm going to do is add the x to both sides. By doing that, I now obtain a negative 3y equals x minus 1. Then the next thing I need to do is undo multiplying by negative 3. So I'm going to divide by negative 3. Since you're divided by negative 3, make sure you divide that negative 3 into both of those quantities. And when doing that, you have y equals, remember there is a 1 in front of that x. So it's really 1 divided by negative 3. So that's a negative 1/3 x plus 1/3. Interesting. So our slope is equal to a negative 1/3. And our y-intercept is going to be my constant value as a coordinate point 0, 1/3. OK? So now, if we're going to go and graph, remember we're looking for the intersection point. OK, so let's go and plot this point first. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to graph 0, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to follow the slope as down 1 over 1. So I'm going to go down 1 to the right one, down 1 to the right one, down 1 to the right one. Now, ladies and gentlemen, obviously you can obviously when you're go ahead and doing this, you only need 2 points to make up a line. All right? But since I'm trying to find the intersection point, I think it's a lot of times helpful to write as many points as possible to go through on that. All right? So let's just go ahead and write these points, and then I'll kind of connect. All right. So now let's go to the next one. The next one has a y-intercept of 0, 1/3. Well, 1/3 is between 0 and 1, right? It's like right there. Yes? Now, it's telling me also, this also has a negative slope, down 1 over 3. So I'm going to go down 1 and then over 3. So down 1/3, or down 1 and then over 3. 1, 2, 3. Then down 1 again over 3. 1, 2. Let's see. Let me go down one more. 3 over 1. So that'd be right there. So down 1 and then over 3. 1, 2, 3. Down 1 over 3. Down 1 over 3. OK, so my graph doesn't really work as well as I'd like to. But hopefully you guys can kind of see that there looks like there's an intersection point right here. Since my graph is not perfect and exact, a lot of times you guys will have an exact intersect point. I'm just going to go ahead and estimate this at 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to estimate it at 5 down, -1, -2. And that would be basically your intersection point, 5, -2. And that's going to be my estimation. Now, on your